Here because a great injustice has been perpetrated against Crystal Palace Football Club by a series of European bureaucrats based in Switzerland who are part of the reason why the game of football has been taken away from the working man in this country. Palace should be in the Europa League. We're not, and we're out on the streets here to say this needs to change. The FA Cup, winning it is easily the high point of the entire history of this football club. Our football club's existed for long over 100 years. Multiple generations of Palace fans have waited for what really is the high point, a realistic high point that we could have got to. And to have that high immediately taken away by such an injustice is something that we're prepared to demonstrate against regularly. Palace is not a team with pedigree in Europe, it's our first time. That should make the story even greater than it is. If you're talking about larger clubs, I think realistically those clubs would have enough diplomatic or perhaps less diplomatic means of ensuring that they played in Europe, and this wouldn't be carried out in the way that it has. Look, fundamentally, we and the Palace fans collectively protested against John Textor from the very minute he arrived at the club. Palace is not a multi-ownership club, it never has been, and we never wanted that. We have fundamentally been against that, and we were the first to call it out as soon as anything of that nature was even suggested.